Hey everyone, so I wanted to make a quick video here, not specifically for scrapping, but I deal with a lot of electronic stuff, buy, resell, like you see on most of my videos. I deal with quite a few video game items. I've made videos on PS2s, PS3s, PS4s, and I recently got a Super Nintendo, and this is the main board. For some reason, it wasn't showing any video. Kind of like, I think they call it like a black screen of death. So you put in the game, you power it on, all the connections are there, but it just doesn't wanna turn on. And what I noticed, I opened it up. I was thinking of giving it to my friend who repairs electronics, and I noticed. Actually, after going online and looking up some stuff, people mentioned that cleaning the pins over here where the game goes in might do the trick. And what I noticed when I opened it up, I cleaned some of it already, but I kept this guy here. Like you can see, there's, sorry about that, corrosion. So what I'm doing now is with some rubbing alcohol, cleaning up the pins, kind of using a little knife to scrape the rust and the dirt out, and then cleaning them. And what ended up happening, I did this with another console, and it worked right away. And I'm doing this with this one. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work also. And in the description, I'll let you guys know if this one also worked by cleaning the pins. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. And if it works and you have a Super Nintendo that doesn't work, has that black screen of death, I guess if you want to call it, open it up, clean those pins. Talk to you guys soon.